Hey guys, welcome to part 5 of our Eiken 2 practice. Once again, we're going to work on speaking and thinking for our Eiken 2 test. And I have another passage from the 2020 Eiken test. Why don't we take a look at that now? Okay, let's read this together. Nowadays, computer technology is becoming more and more important at many workplaces. For this reason, there is a demand for people who have skills in writing computer programs. Now, some high schools teach their students such important skills, and by doing so, they help them understand computer technology better. Experts say that this will be useful to students later in life. So, according to the passage, how do some high schools help their students understand computer technology better? I'll give you 10 seconds thinking time. The correct answer? Do you have it? The correct answer is by teaching their students skills in writing computer programs. Did you catch that? You can just go back and reread that story if you didn't. But one more time, the correct answer would be by teaching their students skills in writing computer programs. Alright guys, I'm sure once again you did a fantastic job. So, see you next time, okay? Bye.